Hello everyone, welcome to Cute Car TV where we look at all the fun stuff. Today we're going to look at something cool, which is the M1 Merak One 3-axis gimbal. Here's what you get with the gimbal. You can put it in horizontal and portrait mode, face tracking, time-lapse, manual zoom, collapsible and real-time charging, and the packing list you get the manual, the gimbal, USB cable and the tripod. Here are the specifications of the gimbal. It supports 7-inch phone, payload of 280 grams, battery capacity is 250 milliamps, working hours is 5 to 8 hours, and the net weight is not 300 grams. You will see in the weight video. Later I'll do a test about the weight. And here's a QR code for Gimbal Play app, and it's recyclable and don't throw it in the trash. Alright, so let's get on with the unboxing video. Let's go. They have a manual, user manual, so you know how to operate the device, and it comes in English as the first language. Good for that, because we all need to speak English to understand. So it's in the box, so please read it, because there's a lot of information, important information, how to operate the device, and it's important that you read it first. Alright, this is the tripod and the tripod feet. The tripod feet have a rubber at the bottom of the feet there, and on top of it near the screw there's also a rubber base which prevents scratching. This is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And now we're going to look at the superstar of the show, the gimbal itself. So this gimbal comes with some shiny bling bling, you see? Here too, shiny bling bling, you know? Give it a little bit of luxury. Bling bling, shiny. Yeah, I think a lot of you guys like the shiny bling bling. So there's a little bit of bling bling in here. This is the power button. This is the mode button. This is this up and down switch. For the zoom in, zoom out, it only works with the application. On the left here, there is the USB port to connect the USB cable to charge the gimbal when you're not in use. And there's a trigger at the back there for snapping photos, videos, and also try to control the modes when you try to play with it. You gotta watch my review video in the next video where I'll show you how it works. But this is just a trigger button. It's nice to have. It also be clicky, see? So yeah, I like that. It's actually to change the modes and everything. You need to press that button to change some modes. And this is like, there's a quality check on it as well. This is the clip. Yeah, really well made, really solid. I like it a lot. Now we're going to measure it, how long it is. It's 40 cm long. It's 5 cm wide at the grip. This is how you switch it on. Well, basically that's what you get. But now we're going to go into the weight test to try and see what is the actual weight of this gimbal. Alright, the true weight. $317 grams. Oh, not yet. Put the tripod on. 366 grams. So on the box it said 300 grams, which is a lie. It's not true. It's actually 366 grams, folks. So don't believe what the box says all the time. Just go and do your own test and see what's the truth. Alright. But the nice part is this gimbal is a bit heavy because this part's are metal. So metal, baby. A little bit of metal, shiny bling bling. Of course it's going to be a little bit heavier, 66 grams heavier. It's okay. And I forgot to show everyone, under the box in the secret compartment there is actually a secret nylon bag. Is it nylon bag? No, it's a secret cloth bag or something, where you can actually store your gimbal and the tripod feet, so when you can bring it around on the trip or you're going on holiday and bring it, put it in a nice cute bag like this. Yeah, I actually found out after I was like playing around with the box and I found this. That's pretty nice, right? So we're gonna look at the clip here. You see it's rubber. Oh, this is all rubber, so you can actually like bite that phone and get it on, like grab it like tightly, you know, so the phone doesn't move around when it's like clipped onto this gimbal. So yeah, really nice and tight. So,
oh
yeah,
my
it's there for a
god,
reason. Good quality rubber, whatever amount is it. So nice, it's very nice. So for a nice gimbal like this, I think it's worth the money. I'm really happy of this thing. And yeah, I think we have come to the end of the unboxing video. So if you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.